better way to celebrate freedom and independence than with that all-American symbol of independence, rock and roll. We're taking you on a rock and roll road trip across America with love, sweat, and cheers. Rockin' 4th of July celebration! We begin our journey in the cradle of rock and roll civilization, Memphis. Well, bless my soul, bless the song with me. Hit you like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends saying I'm wild as a bug, I'm in love. Ooh, I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now. 1 for the don't you? Think about this sweet. You can do anything, lay off the mouth through the sweet. Shiver nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. You broke my way, what a thrill. In this place is alright guys, let's load up the truck, head out west to Texas. There's a face I'm a believer. I'm in love. I'm a believer. If I try, don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light people. Sometimes I give myself a break. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm breaking up. Am I just paranoid? I don't know. It's just like the ocean under the moon. To say the emotion that I can fall you. Got the kind of love that can be so smooth. Yeah, give me your heart, make it real, or just forget about it. Alright guys, let's grab a Starbucks, now available at the Magic Kingdom, and head on up the coast to Seattle.